This is Dahua DeepHub Smart Interactive Whiteboard, the device with a massive 75-inch touchscreen display and numerous real-time collaboration tools like DeepHub Meeting. Let's take a look at this unique device. The device comes in a massive box. It arrived safely packed with no transportation damage. Inside the box, you get everything you need to get started, including 3 power cables for different markets, 2 touchscreen-compatible styluses, some hardware for wall mounting, and some paperwork. There is also a wall mounting bracket included, which is nice. However, Dahua also provides this mobile stand, which is made entirely out of metal. It is robust, it has a convenient storage shelf, and last but not least, you can easily move it from one place to another thanks to the built-in wheels. Once you've decided where you want to keep the stand, you can lock the wheels for safety. Once I first took the whiteboard out of the box and installed it on the stand, I was amazed by its size, build quality, and a set of features. First, it sports this massive 75-inch touchscreen display with a pretty good contrast and color reproduction. It's also very sharp considering its size. The Dahua whiteboard also sports pretty good specifications and an impressive quality speaker. The build quality is excellent. The device is made mostly out of metal and it screams premium from all sides. In addition, there are carrying handles on each side which are very convenient while mounting the device. On the top of the screen, there is an AI flip camera with voice tracking and auto framing. It opens up automatically in apps like DeepHub Meeting and it flips back while it's not being used, so you should never worry about your privacy. Speaking of privacy, you can lock and unlock the device using the fingerprint reader. Right next to it, there is a physical power key. In addition, there are convenient magnetic stylus storage mounts on each side. Simply stick the stylus to it and it stays firmly attached. It is very convenient for 1 or 2 presenters standing by this massive screen. Other key features include a large power indicator LED strip which lights up in blue when the whiteboard is on and it turns red when the device is off. There is also a set of connectivity ports on the back to connect external devices. In case you need to connect a USB flash drive, there is another quick access port on the left side of the whiteboard. Software is what makes the DeepHub Smart Interactive Whiteboard special. The device runs on a custom version of Android 11 and to be honest with you, I never thought that using your fingers or the supply stylus on a 75 inches touchscreen display would be this intuitive and smooth. The UI feels fast and responsive and there are the familiar Android ecosystem buttons on both sides of the screen for convenience. There are back, home, recent apps keys, and a feature-packed functional quick tools button that allows you to adjust quite a few settings. There is another movable quick tools menu for convenience. The home screen is divided into 2 pages. On the main screen, you can find screen sharing, whiteboard and file manager apps, and a more folder that contains other apps like Calendar, Chrome, WPS Office, Calculator, and so on. You can also adjust some settings of the device, change the wallpapers, or use it for web browsing. However, the full potential of this device is unleashed through Dahua's custom-made apps. One of them is DeepHub Meeting, which allows seamless remote collaborative work with other users, and it is the most powerful app of its kind I've ever used. I love a simple and intuitive user interface. What is awesome is that you can start a meeting with a single tap, a huge advantage over some cumbersome alternatives that require numerous clicks to start a meeting. On the bottom, you can find a toolbar that allows you to mute or unmute the mic, turn on or off the camera, adjust the speaker volume, manage the meeting, record the screen, and so on. I like that you can simply share the QR code to join the meeting. Also, as the host of the meeting, you can manage the participants and adjust other settings. My favorite feature is the interactive whiteboard, which is loaded with features. It allows meeting participants to use plenty of productivity tools and actively engage and contribute to the project. In case you need to go back to the camera live view, you can do it with a click of a button. The whiteboard has plenty of templates to choose from and they are divided into categories for convenience. Just to name a few, there are mind maps, flowcharts, SWOT analysis, target audience, business plans, and so on. These templates can be edited in a variety of ways. You can add text, select a particular section of the screen, add notes and shapes, insert tables, and so on and so forth. You can do everything right on the screen. The meeting participants join the meeting through the web interface and they have the access to the exact same tools. That means that all colleagues can collaborate in real time by providing their ideas and suggestions. I was surprised by how smooth the web interface is. It makes remote collaborative work a breeze. With the access to so many tools, you can achieve productive collaboration without going to the office. Another highlight, an AI assistant. It works in a similar way to ChatGPT. You can ask questions or generate content like images, mind maps, codes, presentations, task lists, and so on. The tools are pretty much endless here. It's like having a super smart meeting participant. For instance, the AI assistant can be very useful at the beginning of the meeting to draw a mind map so it sets the tone for other participants. If they don't agree with the AI assistant, they can provide their own thoughts. I also found the AI useful in helping me make the flow charts. It provides clear and logical ideas that can inspire other participants' thought process. Again, they can agree or disagree with the AI and express their own thoughts. If I need more help, I simply ask the AI the question for a detailed answer. I also like playing with AI images. For instance, here are the TechLine headquarters from the future. These are just a few features of this powerful app. It would take me hours to show them all. A set of features, ease of collaboration, and powerful AI tools are the key highlights to me. You can also use a whiteboard for on-site presentations or just for making notes. I found the stylus to be highly responsive and accurate. You can delete content by swiping your palm on the screen, and there are plenty of pen types, colors, and thicknesses to choose from. You can also add shapes, images, tables, and so on. The built-in file manager allows you to access files from the USB flash drive. Just like on any other Android-powered device, you can see images, show presentations, or even watch videos on a massive screen. Overall, the Dahua DeepHub Smart Interactive Whiteboard is a feature-packed device that offers many online collaboration tools, and the DeepHub meeting is the star of the show. It makes remote collaboration easy as all participants can contribute to the meeting in a variety of ways, and AI is super useful with its array of powerful tools. The custom user interface offers a lot more other features, and you can also install your own apps to expand the device's functionality. I also love the design and build, the screen quality, the flip camera provides good image quality, and I love the accuracy of the stylus. In summary, the Dahua DeepHub Smart Interactive Whiteboard is an amazing device for online collaborative work due to its feature-packed software, which is powered by excellent hardware. What do you think about this device? Would you choose this one or would you choose another option? Tell me in the comment section down below what you think. Also like the video if you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, it was Linus. Thank you for watching and see you soon.